Hey guys, I am Surbhi and welcome to my channel Key Differences. Today in this video, we are going to talk about the difference between Legislative Assembly, that is Vidhan Sabha, and Legislative Council, that is Vidhan Parishad. So friends, let's get started. Now first of all, understand the state legislature. India follows a bicameral legislature both at the central and the state level. So, if we talk about central level, there is Lok Sabha, Rajya Sabha and the President that forms Parliament. Similarly, at the state level, there is Legislative Assembly, Legislative Council and the Governor forming the state legislature. However, there is no uniformity in the state legislature's organization, due to which there is only a few states following the bicameral system, while the rest of them follows a unicameral system. Now, we'll have a look at these two systems at the state level. When there is a unicameral legislature in a state, there is only a single legislative chamber, that is Legislative Assembly, also known as Vidhan Sabha. However, if a state follows bicameral system, there are two chambers, that is Legislative Assembly or Vidhan Sabha and Legislative Council, that is Vidhan Parishad. Now let's discuss Legislative Assembly. The Legislative Assembly or Vidhan Sabha is the lower house of the legislature whose working resembles the working of Lok Sabha that operates at the central level. Vidhan Sabha is the popular house representing the residents of the state. The members of Legislative Assembly are directly elected by the people through general elections as per the principle of universal adult franchise. Further, at the time of elections, the entire state is divided into various territorial constituencies and one member is elected out of each constituency. The members of the state assembly should not exceed 500 and it should not be less than 60. However, lesser number of seats are fixed by the central government for small states. There are certain seats reserved for SC/ST candidates in a legislative assembly. Further, one member is nominated by the governor from Anglo-Indian community. As we all know that Vidhan Sabha is a temporary body, its term is for 5 years only. And so it is dissolved after 5 years. However, it can be dissolved by the governor earlier after consulting with the chief minister. Legislative Council. The Legislative Council or Vidhan Parishad is the upper house of the state legislature which is similar to the Rajya Sabha of the parliament. The Vidhan Parishad is a permanent body which operates at the state level. Right now it is operational in 7 states in India, that is Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Karnataka, Maharashtra, Jammu and Kashmir, Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. The Legislative Council can be formed or abolished when the Legislative Assembly passes a special resolution in this regard, meaning that two-thirds majority of members who are present and voting in the State Assembly are in favor of the same. Thereafter, the Legislative Assembly requests the Parliament to create or abolish the Legislative Council. The total members of the Legislative Council should not be more than one-third of the total members of the State Assembly of the concerned state. However, the members of the Council should not be less than 40. The term of the members of the Legislative Council is 6 years. However, one-third of the total members of the Council retire in every 2 years. Composition of Legislative Council. One-third of the total members of the Legislative Council are elected by members of Legislative Assembly. One-third of the total members of the Legislative Council are elected by members of local body, that is municipality. 1/12 of the total members of the Legislative Council is elected by teachers who are domicile of the state not below the rank of secondary school level. 1/12 of the total members are elected by graduates who are domicile of the state having 3 years of standing. Lastly, 1/6 of the total members of the council is nominated by the governor who have specialized knowledge in the field of art, science, literature, technology, etc. Difference between Legislative Assembly and Legislative Council. Meaning, Vidhan Sabha or Legislative Assembly is the lower house of the state legislature which represents the people of the state. On the other hand, the states which have a bicameral legislature have a legislative council which is the upper house of the state legislature whose members are partly elected and partly nominated. When it comes to elections, the members of the Legislative Assembly are directly elected by the people through first past the post system. On the other hand, the members of Legislative Council are indirectly elected through proportional representation system. When it comes to nature, the Legislative Assembly is a temporary body because it continues to operate for a period of 5 years only, after which it is dissolved. Conversely, Legislative Council is a permanent body which cannot be dissolved, but it can only be abolished when the Legislative Assembly passes a resolution for abolishing it and the Parliament approves the same. Next, the maximum strength of a Legislative Assembly is 500 members and the minimum strength is 60 members, but there are certain exceptions to this rule. In contrast, the maximum strength of a Vidhan Parishad or Legislative Council cannot be more than one-third of the total members of the Vidhan Sabha. However, it should not be less than 40. Next, to become a member of a Legislative Assembly, one should have attained the age of 25 years as against the minimum age requirement for becoming a member of Legislative Council is 30 years. Presiding Officer. The Speaker presides over the meetings of Legislative Assembly, who is elected by the members from among the members. On the contrary, Chairman presides over the meetings of Legislative Council, who is chosen by the members themselves. Well friends, this brings me to the end of this lesson. I hope you find this lesson very useful. I am sure that after watching this lesson, all your doubts regarding the difference between Legislative Assembly and Legislative Council are cleared now. However, if you want to study the topic further in detail, please visit our official website, that is keydifferences.com. Here you can find a detailed comparison chart of the difference between the two terms along with their definitions. Links are also provided in the description below. So guys, please like this video, share it with your friends and put in your comments below, and do subscribe our channel for more updates. I'll be back soon with the new lesson. Till then, take care. Bye bye.